is it on? Okay, it's on. We're gonna hide this camera and wait for Jessica to sneeze again, because you guys had over 50 views for my last one, so we're gonna wait to see whoever comes from that staircase to the bed, and yeah, we're gonna hide guys in the closet. There you go, that was it. She's coming.